Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will prove vector field A in the waveform in Coulomb gauge is the transfer field. First of all, we write vector field A in the waveform. So this become vector field A in waveform is A is equal to epsilon A naught exponent iota k dot x minus omega t. This is equation number 1. Here epsilon is unit vector in direction of A is also known polarization vector, and A naught is amplitude of vector field A, and x is the position and omega is angular frequency. And k is wave vector or propagation vector. First of all, what is Coulomb gauge? The choice of potential, scalar potential, and vector potential such that phi is equal to 0 and divergence of A is also 0 is called Coulomb gauge. So del dot A is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Put equation 1 in equation 2. So divergence of epsilon A naught exponent iota k dot x minus omega t is equal to 0. This can also be written as del dot epsilon A naught exponent iota k dot x exponent minus iota omega t is equal to 0, and del is equal to partial over partial x I hat plus partial over partial y j hat plus partial over partial z k hat. So del operator act on exponent iota k dot x. So all other terms are constant, so this become epsilon a naught exponent minus iota omega t del dot exponent iota k dot x, and k vector is equal to k x I hat plus k y j hat plus k z k hat, and x vector is equal to x I hat plus y j hat plus z k hat. So k vector dot x vector is equal to k x x plus k y y plus k z z, and exponent iota k dot x is equal to exponent iota k x x plus k y y plus k z z, and divergence of exponent iota k dot x is equal to partial over partial x I hat plus partial over partial y j hat plus partial over partial z k hat, exponent iota k x x plus k y y plus k z z. This is equal to iota multiplied by k x I hat plus k y j hat plus k z z hat multiplied by exponent iota k dot x, which is equal to iota k vector dot exponent iota k dot x. So equation 3 become epsilon a naught exponent minus iota omega t iota k dot exponent iota k dot x is equal to 0, and this can also be written as iota k dot epsilon a naught exponent iota k dot x minus omega t is equal to 0, and this term again is equal to a vector, so this become iota k vector dot a vector is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. We also know vector is equal to vector magnitude multiplied by unit vector. So a vector is equal to magnitude of a and unit vector epsilon. So equation 4 become iota k dot magnitude of a epsilon is equal to 0, which implies k dot epsilon is equal to 0. And we also know if a and b are two vectors, then both are perpendicular if dot product of A and B is equal to 0. So K is perpendicular to epsilon. So vector field A is also perpendicular to K vector. So A is transfer field.